While hypertension is more prevalent in the older population, it's being observed that the incidence in the younger population is increasing rapidly. I would like to discuss the reasons of hypertension in young corporate employees. Over the course of an average lifespan, the human heart beats about 2.5 billion times without stopping. No weekends, no holidays, and no tea breaks. In hypertension, the heart is working overtime to get the job done. Hypertension is a massive health problem affecting a large number of populations across the globe. It is often said that hypertension is the silent killer, as it's predominantly an asymptomatic disease. Most of the patients are not even aware of the fact that they have hypertension. When left untreated, hypertension leads to development of life-threatening heart diseases, and thus it's important to be alert. Around 72% of the corporate employees become prone to cardiovascular diseases due to unhealthy lifestyle and ignorance. The factors responsible for causing hypertension in corporate employees are stress, physical inactivity, unhealthy eating patterns, smoking, alcohol consumption, and obesity. This is what you must be doing if you want this silent killer to stay at bay. Most important, stress management. Hectic schedules, meeting deadlines, work pressure, current scenario is such that we cannot expect our lives to be devoid of stress completely. But what we can do is that we focus on dealing with stress effectively and not letting it hamper our health. Since stress also results in decreased productivity at work, we must consciously try to reduce the stress levels in our life. Meditation, music therapy, art therapy, traveling, healthy eating habits, healthy sleep pattern, correcting vitamin deficiencies are some of the ways you can manage stress. Second comes dietary management. If you want to lower your blood pressure and your LDL, that is bad cholesterol, the DASH diet can help you do that. DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This diet basically is a healthy and balanced diet which consists of whole grains, nuts, fresh fruits and vegetables, foods rich in potassium and magnesium, low fat or fat-free milk products. It also recommends eliminating foods which are rich in saturated fats, trans fats and sodium. Third comes keeping track of your blood pressure. The diagnosis of this condition is usually made only when a complication arises. Routine examination is required to trace the existence of hypertension even in individuals who are not having any symptomatic complaints. Thus, a BP check in every 6 months is advisable. Benefits of early diagnosis of the patient of hypertension are many. Initial evaluation of a patient with hypertension makes the treatment part easy and more effective. If diagnosed early, physicians can accurately identify the factors which are leading to the condition. Thus, it's easier to eliminate the risk factors which may further lead to development of other cardiovascular diseases. Early detection of any other complication is also possible. Considering all the above factors, an effective line of treatment is planned accordingly, which is termed as antihypertensive therapy. Hypertension can often be controlled with healthy habits and medications whenever necessary.